Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday. It's currently like 5:45 in the morning. Not too early, but we are getting ready to leave for Barcelona. So can't wait to follow or vlog this trip. It's gonna be so good. There's a massive group of us going. So I'm in Aberdeen right now, so we're about to go to Dundee to get Bethany and Tom, and then head to Glasgow Prestwick. So let's go. Woo! Look at everyone. Oh, we're lost already.
Oh god.
So
It's
we're
time.
so excited.
I'm actually like starting to deep that we're doing this tomorrow.
Well, I was thinking actually, because I was like, okay, we're going for a run today.
Yeah.
Like we're gonna be in Barcelona today.
I know.
Oh!
I didn't.
There's so many of
I
us.
didn't plan my running.
So just paid £41 for some breakfast. 41 for like 2 food and 2 coffees. It's actually a buy. Okay, go Andy, what's your fun fact? Let's go.
That's a great B-roll.
Hell yeah. Oh my god. What the hell? Let's go.
Turn the pumps up, cover your head, thank you. Have a flight.
Nothing. Put a load down windows. Let's see if they're in.
Mario's coming. No, Mario's just text. He said 2 minutes.
You said 2 minutes when we're in fucking
I'm doing an apartment tour. Look at this. Wait till you see this room. Sorry, I'm sorry. What even?
This is the get ready room, the girls' room.
The girls get ready room?
Sorry, Andy.
Like this is like it's honestly right, the balcony. And this double balcony is mine and Ethan's. We've got like a joining one. What even? The mirror. And like, look at their. Jesus. Then they've got their actual bedroom and a living room here. And then we've got another massive ensuite here. And then this place is like a fucking house. This room, bathroom.
See the toilet just on your left? Well, yeah, to be fair, that can just be our...
Mine and Ethan's bedroom. Just you wait. That's our bathroom. Got an ensuite. Oh, what the hell? Guys, I've broken the door.
all got robes!
I've broken the door. Right. Look at this. To the bathroom. This place is incredible. And then I just went for a little run.
That was really good. I feel really optimistic about tomorrow.
Oh, Amy's here.
Oh, I thought I could hear the boys. I thought you could hear someone.
We went for a run. Now we're going to come. Aye. Where's she gone? Bethany, get this. We're going up for dinner.
Dinner time. Pasta, pizza.
Carb load.
Yeah.
Maybe a little spritz.
Just the one.
Yeah, just
the one.
But we're getting
Best
some
one for
pics.
tomorrow.
We need Ailey back for camera.
This is stunning.
Gorgeous.
Absolutely stunning.
Girl.
Right, keep going.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Oh,
That's
Okay,
it.
we're ready?
Right.
We're in girl flow state.
I don't know what to do. I hate getting posing. That's it. Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Girl.
Stunning.
Hey! Picture time.
We pay for a wig. Oh, need to. Oh, the producer's got something around her neck. She's giving direct. Oh, it's fine.
The director.
Sharks.
What's going? Oh.
Sam wrote a picture of this and said, "You need to hide it from."
I did. I said, you got it.
Mark's so jumped.
Mark,
Your socks were disgusting. So I felt
like
like
Yeah.
oh my god,
Right.
wrong socks.
This is like worse than the girls' one, I swear.
Sunglasses off. Would you wear them to bed? Oh my god, look at that duvet now. Sort him out. Okay, you need to pretend to sleep.
I don't know supposed to sleep.
Brody, close your eyes.
Why are my feet so much further away than my shoes are? Wait.
Brody.
Wait.
It's
Hold
so
on. Wait, let me pause it. I need absolute silence for like a absolute silence for like
I'm sleep.
Good morning, Barcelona. Getting ready for the HYROX. Got the girlies together.
Morning.
Yay! Exciting. Let's go. We're doing our hair.
Getting the good slicks.
Getting the good slicks. We've got the best eco gel. Oh,
So well. I love
honestly,
Coconut.
coconut. We're ready. We're waiting. We're literally about to leave. The boat is waiting for us.
Is it outside? Oh, we need to go get a picky though.
We have made it.
Yeah, it's not. We're not where I imagine.
I think we are going in here, guys.
Follow them. They look like they know where they're going.
Oh my goodness. I'm getting like nervous.
They don't.
Oh, okay, we are following them, but I think it's around the other side. It's huge and busy. How are we all feeling?
A little bit nervous.
How are we all feeling?
Nervous but excited at the same time.
Yeah, it's gonna be so fun. We're checking in. We've been waiting here for a little while, so but it's okay. We've got, I don't know what time it is.
40 minutes. Somewhere around.
Oh my god! We're standing like right behind the tunnel, so every like 10 minutes we can hear the boom 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 boom. But anyways, we're gonna get our number on our arm.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
And then toilet. We've eaten our squares bars, we're ready to go. Then we're gonna go to the warm-up. Really quick warm-up. We don't even need a warm-up because we're that cool. And then we're going. Ooh. And it's good music on. We're just gonna vibe.
Some Bad Bunny.
Yeah, we're gonna get the Spanish tunes of the red and yellow bit. Yeah. Dead to the world over there. We're just chilling. Boys are gonna do theirs. We did ours. It was very slow. 3 minute movie. We're about to watch the boys come on. We're still out here. They're coming into this wave. Oh my god. They're warming up. Tune. I'm having so much fun right now. Girls hard at work on the content. What do you eat in Spain?
Yeah.
What do you eat?
That's all we
Yes, rooftop vibes. Absolutely stunning. Just went a bit in the pool. It's like a plunge pool.
Oh, he's tight.
Going out tonight, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna leave the camera. I get some content on my phone, but I'm a bit nervy about taking the phone out in Barca. So, outfit of the night, makeup. Gonna have the best time. We're going to a rooftop bar.
I completely forgot
You waited till we're back.
Don't jump.
That.
Give me.
That's what she was doing. Or she'd go, Mom, and then go.
Gonna have to censor this out of the. Good morning. It is Monday. Just been for a cold plunge in the pool because it's like a cold plunge pool. Well, duh. So we're gonna get ready and we're going to this cafe called Nudes. It's like acai bowls and stuff. Are out for the day. Oh, my camera's really low charge. I didn't even think to charge it. I don't know why. It's 11 a.m. Oh, we're going this way. Ailey's been the leader today. And we're going to Nudes for breakfast. Erewhon smoothies. And we've got the rest of the crew back here. Yeah, it's lovely. I'm a bit scared of the grey clouds, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's supposed to be yellow weather warning for rain. Yep. Look at these grey skies behind me. It's not gonna go good, but anyways, I'm gonna try to save my camera battery now for seeing like the sights. Oh my word, you're joking. Oh, he's got ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream for breakfast.
Smoothie, coffee. Everyone's got their.
It's a vibe in here.
It is a vibe in here. Good Instagram, TikTok find.
Are you on
Okay, it's pouring rain. Bought an umbrella from a random guy for €10.
What is one portion?
Liv got a hoodie. Liv, let's see your hoodie. Looking super cute. The weather.
Weather is not giving Barcelona summer, but we make do with what we're given.
Yeah. Made it. Wow. So big. Oh my god. Thought I was getting mugged. Ow. It's huge. What the hell? I thought that there was like no scaffolding in that anymore. So we're on the ponchos.
Making the most of our summer holidays.
The ponchos. Euro summer at its finest. I bought a Barcelona hoodie. Proper.
No more big funny.
Oh, he's on it.
No!
Say 6 7. He goes, how about 8 9? I'll get the video.
Are you ready?
Oh, please do.
And then I'll try.
Ready for your moment? So we are in Old Town. Very pretty.
We're so back.
We are so back. Oh, she's taking the hoodie off. She is ready. Scooter.
No, that's giving surfer.
Yeah.
Surfer doesn't really provide what we want.
Yeah, no, that's not giving bar.
Very lovely.
That's not giving Barca babe, that's giving surfer babe.
Can I have some oil, please?
Went out for our last night. It's my outfit of the day. It's like a Zara top. Just wearing linens tonight. And yeah, so sad. This trip has flown by, like, honestly. And the weather's been so shit today, so it's kind of been a pain. But we're going out for our last night. Oh, here's Ethan. Slay. Okay. Oh, why are you waving like that? It's like an NPC night. We're kind of running late, so we gotta go.
Hamstrings are tight. We're gonna put this related
Hey.
to hamstrings.
Last night vibes. It's actually last dinner.
All together.
The final dance.
We need to.
Miss it already.
We need to rate the group holiday. Give me your best memory. We haven't actually gone over that story, but
on camera.
that honestly.
The O and the B. If you don't know, get to know. What are you on about? Stop market.
Oh, I get it now. Okay.
Censored. And then
Talk about
And then
that.
the.
8 9 8 9 8 9 6 7 8 9.
I'm not sure what's actually going on right now. Oh, I'm scared. My drink. Right. Oh my. Right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go on, ladies. Go on back. Go on back.
Oh! Oh my gosh!
Come on back. Do it. Right work. Come on.
The armrest is back out, but oh my word. Here we go. What is going on?
Are you ready?
Lock in. Come on, lock in. Right. This is serious. Woo! Round one! Come on, let's go! Come on, let's go! Come on!
Quite strong, isn't it? Yes, she's very strong.
Good morning, guys. Don't know if you can hear me. It is like 7:30 on Tuesday, and we're getting ready to go to the airport. I think we're all a bit worse for wear today, but yeah, I'm so tired. I'm gonna try and edit this vlog honestly, but honestly, I might have to have a nap. It has honestly been so amazing. Oh, this apartment is just insane. First of all, cannot cope, but it has actually been the best.
So scared.
It was so sad. Forget.
Got my carrot juice.
Oh, you got your carrot juice?
Well, no.
Can I taste some?
In Susie's bag.
Oh. Yeah, it's home time, guys. Better say bye to the vlog.
I might cookie.
today it's actually like almost 2 weeks after, no, it's about a week and a half, but I in fact didn't say goodbye to the vlog and it was very abrupt ending. But yeah, so I'm actually just editing the vlog right now and it'll be posted like soon. But oh, it was such a good trip, and yeah, I'm just really excited for our next one. Bye.